When using the flat hand technique on the shin muscles, apply pressure by pressing just beside the shin bone with your fingertips, gliding upward into the muscles. The bracelet technique is ideal for the shin muscles. Apply pressure by pressing down with your flexed thumb. Avoid pressing on the shin bone but focus purely on the shin muscles, which are positioned at the lateral sides of the lower legs. Due to the limited area to massage on the shin muscles, this technique is highly effective. Begin just above the foot and work your way up toward the knee. Given the muscle positioning, focus on using the sides of your thumbs rather than the tips for optimal results. Due to the smaller muscles on the shin, utilizing the transverse technique is preferable as it allows for direct pressure into the muscle tissue, making it easier to work with during the massage. The twisting technique works well on the shin muscles. It's akin to the standard transverse pushing, but at the end of the motion, incorporate a gentle twisting movement with the palm of your hand, adding an extra dimension to the massage. To apply frictions to the shins, grasp the lower legs and press down firmly into the muscle tissue transversely. Press just beside the lateral part of the shin bone, making sure not to apply any pressure directly on the bone itself. Shin muscles can become very tight, so be cautious about the intensity. Due to the limited area, it's recommended to use only one hand. Always ensure your thumb is flexed to prevent overextension, which could result in injuries. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel so you can stay informed about our newest massage tutorials.